Okay, we're here to review the Inkeltech ring light today. We basically got this light because our niece is having a Sweet 15 party next month and she wanted some help with a photo booth, and we read some great reviews on these. So it comes in a really awesome bag. We have another video with the unboxing of it. And it comes with a lot of different settings on it. So I'm going to go through all the settings right now on the quick. We're going to turn it on, and we apologize. We're sweating really like crazy because it's real hot in here. Let's
100 degrees.
Yeah. Here we go. First time when you turn it on, it's going to be super bright.
But not hot. That's what my wife wanted.
Yeah, it's not hot.
There's no heat from the light.
I mean, if it came with a fan too, it would be fantastic. But
then it'd be noisy. But
yeah. So I'm going to go through like the different settings. These are all preset on the remote, and you're going to see the temperature of these changing from setting to setting. There's three more where you can actually set them yourself and edit them if you wanted to.
And then I wanted to touch on kind of the nerdy aspects of things. So the Bluetooth trigger is how we started it and ended it. It's a great plus, especially if you're doing vlogging or selfies or the photo booth. You can just hit this trigger. It's worked every single time. Really reliable. I'm really excited about that. Another thing I liked above the other lights I saw is there's actual knobs on the back, so you can use a controller, you can use the knob. So say you're trying to set up the lights yourself in your studio, because I have like 3 additional lights around my little small studio, and you're trying to see how the light looks and everything, you can actually use the knobs from the back, say you're filming somebody else. So you can use it either as the talent or as whoever's filming. Big plus. Another thing I liked is that it actually uses the Sony style batteries that go on monitors, like camera monitors when you're for the video. And also a lot of LED lights. So those rectangular batteries, check the exact models, but those should fit. I have those for all my other LED lights, so it's perfect that this is what this used instead of like AA's or AAA's or something, and rechargeable lithium ones. So really like that. The setup was super easy. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to touch base. Well, it's perfect for a small studio because it's super small. Super small, super packable, and it comes with a bag.
And here, actually, you can show where you can see how the phone's set up.
And that's how it looks on our setup right now. So it's really easy to set up. We even actually hooked up a battery for external power for right now because the phone was low. And you can do that, and it's kind of is hanging in the back there. I also want to point out that what I liked is that I wanted a light that came towards the front. So I have these other lights that aren't on right now. And the space is so small. This way, at least if I need light that's pleasing to hit around my eyes in this place, the circular shape and everything else just looks natural and pleasing, and it's adjustable to the dimness and brightness to coexist with these. And the remote means that I can look at something before I get started and then adjust as I'm sitting here on at least the front light to kind of fill in the light forward. So I just want to say I really like that. I also appreciate, to wrap this up, that they don't use the plastic diffusers that switch. A lot of other lights have that. I don't like messing with that. It's actually all in the plastic ring. Nothing to take on or off when it comes to the diffusion or make it cooler or warm.
So check it out, Inkeltech ring light.
Hi, this is the Inkel ring light, and this is the ring light bag. It comes with a strap that you could use to put it on your shoulders, or just the handle straps. And this is what it's look like inside. It has cushions and sleeves inside, and this is what the ring light looks like. This is the light stand and the legs of the ring light. This is the charger, and on the back you will just insert it, and this is the on and off. And you can also adjust the color temperature. It depends if you like how brighter or darker it is, or how much tone you want, like for warm or cold tones. And this is the phone attachment for the ring light. This is the remote. You can adjust how bright you want. And you can also turn off and turn on. And this one, this is for the phone. It's the selfie remote, which is you just connect this to the Bluetooth of your phone, and you can use it to capture your photo without touching your phone.
Hello, I'm doing the review for the ring light that I received. I love this ring light. It's very helpful. I use my ring lights for my live, to show my jewelry and stuff like that. So it's very helpful. I love the way that you can turn it up and turn it down. You can dim the light down. I don't know if you can see the light changing. I love that. Moving it up, moving it down. I done turned it all the way off, and now I done turned it back up. Just by the control of the switch. I like that it have a remote, because sometimes I didn't feel like getting up and turning the light off, or I didn't even want to unplug it. So I love that it have a remote, so I can turn it on, turn it off, turn it up, turn it down, and stuff like that. So that was the pro. The con, the clicker, it wasn't, I didn't like that the instructions wasn't like, it wasn't, the instructions wasn't like, basically, I couldn't understand it. So I just feel like it should have been better instruction. But this is the ring light. I'm in my kitchen, so yeah. But this is the ring light. And definitely love, it's definitely worth my money. Don't sleep on this ring light. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Hello guys, so this is the Inkeltech ring light. Great tool for YouTubers or people who want to make professional photo shoot. So you have a remote that comes with it in addition to the control in the back, which you can use. But let's say that you want to use the remote, then you can start turning it on, and now you can make it more or dim it. You have also the option of making the light colder. As you can see, the light is more white, and then you can make it warmer. This is the perfect tool that you need if you want to have professional videos, photo shoots, or anything. So it has a pre-tool tripod, has a selfie stick that can be attached to it. So if you want to have selfie videos or shots, this is what you need. I would recommend this so badly.
So I got this ring light mainly for taking pictures of the kiddo to make it look a little bit better. You can see I kind of already put it together, and then it gets bigger by going into your tripod, so you can take it places really easily. And it comes with a bag, which is really nice to store it all in. And then you can see the different, you can see the light there, and then it comes with this remote, and you can change the different temperatures of the light and the brightness as well, which is awesome. And then you see right here, this is where you would put your phone. And then back here, it also has the dials, so you can also change the temperature back here and the brightness. And then it also comes with a Bluetooth thing, so you can put your phone up here, and then also just wherever you're at, utilize this remote to take pictures or video. So there we have it.
So that's the ring light. You switch it off, on, it immediately goes into super bright mode. Can adjust it. The dimmer just doesn't do anything. Let's see, try dimming the light and suddenly just goes off. Or it's fully back on. If you hit it, lightly changes color. Now it works. Yeah, it's pretty. Let's see how it changes colors when you just touch it, move it around during a photo shoot. It's not very good.
Đang quay á. Ok. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Ada teknik.
Wow, I like it though.
Mama, okay, I have that tea right here. Mama.
Change the color then. Ilan naman video?
Mhm.
Why?